Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Saint Kansi symbol on your Google Sheet on your web or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Saint Kansi symbol on your Google Sheet web, I just going to show here. So first of all, you just need to know that there is no insert symbol or special character insert option is present on the Google Sheet on your computer or web. So you just need to use a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut for the send cancel symbol was type actually it's the alt key plus 155. Okay, so we just want to press the alt key first. So I just pressing alt key and 155. You can see now it's creating the send cancel symbol. So this is how you just send cancel symbol on your keyboard, on your Google Sheet by the keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.